What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here is the JVC Marshmallow memory phone earbuds. Yeah, this is the HAFX38 and this is the green color. The G stand for green. Okay, now let me open this thing and then let me do the unboxing. As you can see from the back, this one you can get for around 10 bucks from Amazon. Okay, where is my scissor? Here we go. There's a tear from here. Okay, I don't think so I need this scissor. Oh, I really don't need this scissor. This thing is awesome there. Okay, okay, how I can take from here? Okay, that's really very awesome, to be honest with you. Okay, these are some extra. I mean, these are very comfortable, to be honest with you. It just seems very comfortable from first look. Okay, these are some crap. I don't care. I mean, this is, this is like really marshmallow. I mean, it's very comfortable. I think so. It will gonna be in the air, in the ear. I mean, as you can see, the build quality. Okay, I like the build quality. If you got the black color, it will be much better. But personally, I just wanna try a new color. Okay. I mean, as you can see, the build quality is quite good, to be honest with you. I mean, the build quality seems quite good. Make sure to watch the video in 4K. So here is what. Okay. Okay. So now let me go out and put in my ear and then let me show you should you buy or not. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. This amazing JVC headphone is really the marshmallow. It's really very comfortable, really very soft. I can wear non-stop for like 12 hours, 10 hours. I mean, I really love it. I really love it, to be honest with you. The sound is really very much amazing. The sound is much better than Sony. I mean, the JVC, to be honest, even better than the Philips. I'm really very much amazed by it. I really love the build quality. The build quality is that it can take a lot of beating. Even once I forgot to take out from my jeans pant and then I wash in the washing machine and still it worked. What else better do you want? I really do not understand. This sound literally amazing. Jimmy Aggie can easily recommend it. This is a must buy. Subscribe and buy.